Broadcasting live to the message on the TV screen with the accomplice of the characters of stupidity. Reiterate America has got no hope with its realistic studies dragging down the goal. Bring back his television, government supervision. Media was bought out and now makes the wrong decisions. Taxpaying dollars funds our destruction to the corporate media's corruption. Broadcast, they are high. Broadcast.
Not every day you get to go to a show at Epcot. Let's go. Getting herded like sheep to go see a show. At least it has a view though.
How many of you are seeing us for the first time today? Oh, okay. Checks out. I didn't know if it was one of those things where just people just vote twice or whatever. You know. Is this the wrong state to say that? I don't care. I'm not a political person, guys. I just know, you know. There's been, you know, people are mad about it. I don't know. I don't care.
He doesn't have a pulse.
Tell you what I do care about, ladies and gentlemen. We are called Bowling for Soup. And we are the greatest band that has ever lived. I just made that up just now. A few things you should probably know about us. We're all extremely pleasant to be around most of the time. We're also having a lot of fun here at Walt Disney World. Probably much like you guys. One more thing, ladies and gentlemen. We are from the great state of Texas. Ladies and gentlemen, this next song is about the great state of Texas. It's called Ohio. She said she needed a break, a little time to think. But then she went to Cleveland with some guy named Leland that she met at the bank. There's nothing wrong with Ohio, except the snow and the rain. I really like to carry and I love that scene, the rock and roll Hall of Fame. So when you're done doing whatever, when you're through doing whoever, you know, take the county, we'll be right here waiting for you. Everybody say it! It's not the same since you went away before you lose your accent. And forget all about the Lone Star State. There's a seat for you at the rodeo, and a guy on the slow and say it's like some Mexican food sauce, more to hear anyway. I made a mistake. It's not that easy to take. She went to make a deposit, but she cleaned out her closet. Guess I'll see her away. And when we come back home, is he gone? And she didn't take very long. So long, so long. I bet she missing the sunrise, and this is where but hey guys, watch this! When you're trying to what? And you're through doing whoever, you can take the county, we'll be right here waiting for you. I got it, everybody! Come back to Texas. Just not the same that you went away, but you missed your exit. And go right through the Lone Star State. There's a seat for you at the rodeo, and I'm driving slow and slow. Sometimes that Mexican food stops more than here anyway. Jordan wants you back, Willie Nelson wants you back, Nassau wants you back, and the Bush Twins want you back. Pantera wants you back, and Bluebell wants you back. That's right! I've got to bring you to see the take it up and Tuesday with the whole state's gonna sign. Okay, I want to see everybody put your hands in the air like this. If the person next to you is not doing this, it's because they hate puppies.
Hate puppies!
And they aren't even allergic. Come back to Texas. It's just not the same since you went away before you lose your accent. And forget all about the Lone Star State. There's a seat for you at cheers. Yeah, everybody jazz hands. Yeah, everybody wacky waving inflatable arms out like 2 men. Now everybody just wave to Gary because he's lonely back there.
Gary! Love me, Gary!
It's nice of you guys. Gary! Gary!
Gary! Gary! Gary! Gary! Gary!
Okay, stop. We gave him credit for the first hit because of the beard already. Come back to Texas. Just not the same situation before you lose your accent. And forget all about the Lone Star State. There's a seat for you at the rodeo. And the drive is going straight. Sounds the Mexican food sucks more to hear anyway. Sounds the Mexican food sucks more to hear anyway. Yeah, the Mexican food sucks more to hear anyway. Yeah. Give it up for Rob Felicetti with the extended ending. Really milking you for the applause. Man.
Still feels weird leaving here after a show, but Bowling for Soup was awesome tonight, guys. If you get the chance to see one of the Epcot shows, like the Eat the Beat series, like they do during Food and Wine, it's a super good time. So please be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe here on YouTube. You never know what other random shows I might film for you. Check out the ones I still have on the channel. We got AFI, we got NoFX's final shows, and several other awesome ones. See you guys in the Circle Pit. Oh wait, they didn't have a Circle Pit there tonight.
Your First Amendment politicians violate the Constitution. Freedom of expression is no longer a right. Now